Would you tell say what your prediction is again?
All right, I predict that it'll be hard to open at first, and then afterwards it'll be easy. But if that O-ring did sort of form into like that little crack, it might not seal properly afterwards because it's still kind of deformed, so it won't have that proper seal. Or it'll just work perfectly as I intended it to, but if anything does go wrong, that's what I suspect it'll be.
Let's hope it's that one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hopefully. Okay. I like webbed something to the wall earlier, so it's still there. All right. Here we go. So it's been sitting there for 5 hours, a little over 5 hours. So I think that's enough time for web fluid to like kind of solidify if it's exposed to air, because this stuff that I have on my door now is it's pretty much hard. I'm gonna have to get that off with a paint scraper. But yeah, all right. Shake this canister. All right, and let's try it out. I'm sad that you can't see this. But I will describe it to you. I'm filming it, so you'll see it eventually. But I will describe it to you. And here we go. Oh, hard to open at first, maybe, yeah, a little bit, but it still works like a charm. My goodness. That's fantastic.
Sounds great.
Wow.
And I don't hear any like seeping or like bubbling or.
Nope.
So that's awesome.
None whatsoever. And the valve is clean, dude. You know what? This SLA material you have, I think it's very like non-stick, you know?
Yeah.
It's very smooth. It's hard for things to stick to it. Which is fantastic. Wow, man. That's
awesome.
That's great. Let's see.
Can't wait to see that.
Yeah, we got some webs here.
Does it shoot fairly like far? Does it break? Does it go kind of wide?
So
because of the length of the nozzle and diameter.
It shoots far. It shoots far. I would have to say like just because of the fluid that I have, because I usually like having a much thinner fluid. It like breaks up and just hits the wall. It doesn't form strands like Blood Spider's formula does, you know? But I think I've been wanting to try his for a while. So I think like I might make like a more concentrated one and also add those extra ingredients that he has and see if I can make lines with this valve, because that would be really cool. But all in all, it works like a charm. All right, go subscribe to the Human Spider, everybody. That's...